Değerli kardeşim,
My dear brother, President Ilham Aliyev, my esteemed friend, Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, distinguished members of the press, let me greet you with most heartfelt feelings and with warm regards. Today, we're holding the second of our Turkey-Azerbaijan-Pakistan trilateral summit, the first of which we held in Astana last year, for his warm hospitality. At the beginning of my remarks, I congratulate Jan Azerbaijan on their 28th of May Independence Day. And I respectfully commemorate our martyrs who risked their lives to defend the independence of Azerbaijan. We are three brotherly countries sharing common ideals based on mutual affection, respect, and trust, nourished by the same climate of civilization. We are further strengthening the bond among our countries, which has a population of approximately 350 million in total and an economic size of $1.5 trillion. I would like to particularly emphasize that we stand behind each and every step towards transforming our relations into a strategic partnership. Now, the developments in our region reveal with each passing day how important solidarity among our countries is. With the liberation of the Azerbaijani lands that were under occupation for 3 decades, we now hope that the region will become the focus of stability, prosperity, and development. I believe that Lachin Airport, which we inaugurated this morning, will make a significant contribution to the development and integration with the world that the region has been longing for many years. 3 days ago, I hosted in Istanbul my esteemed brother Shahbaz Sharif. During our meeting, we reviewed the cooperation processes within the scope of the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council. And we agreed on further strengthening the deeply rooted historical and human relations between Turkey and Pakistan. Let me take this opportunity to state that we are pleased with the ceasefire which ended the tension which erupted between Pakistan and India. I once again congratulate our brother Shahbaz and the Pakistani authorities for the calm and prudent attitude they displayed during the process. Our hope is that the declared ceasefire will evolve into permanent peace. Turkey is ready to make every possible contribution to this end. My dear brothers, our countries are located in a highly strategic region at the intersection of Eurasia. We are experiencing many challenges concurrently in our region and beyond, from security threats to economic downturns to energy and food crises. We believe that in the face of these challenges, it is a necessity, not a choice, to develop our solidarity as well as our capacity for joint action. Today, we exchanged views on important issues with my esteemed brothers in order to further advance our trilateral cooperation. In the coming period, our foreign ministers will carry out the required work to institutionalize our trilateral cooperation. And they will prepare a strong framework that reflects the common vision of our countries, particularly in the fields that shape our common agenda, such as trade, investments, transportation, energy, defense industry, and the fight against terrorism. As Turkey, Azerbaijan and Pakistan, we'll institutionalize our cooperation by holding regular trilateral summits and ministerial meetings. We'll deepen our cooperation in the field of defense and will maintain our common commitment to fight against terrorism and against transnational threats. We'll aim to take joint steps in the fields of trade facilitation, investment promotion, and digital transformation. In the field of transportation, which constitutes a quite strategic dimension of our cooperation, we'll jointly contribute to projects such as the Development Road, the Central Corridor, and the North-South Transport Corridor. In the fields of culture and education, we'll work on projects that will increase the interaction of our young people and our academics. Together, we'll evaluate opportunities in the fields of energy security, food supply security, and renewable energy. Inshallah, God willing, by realizing prestigious projects in all these fields, we'll carry out trilateral cooperation to much more advanced points, God willing, and will bring and introduce new works to our peoples. My esteemed brothers, in these days of deepening polarization and increasing blockization, we are witnessing the international system gradually drifting into a crisis of legitimacy. The clearest example of the crisis of Israel's relentless cruelty and expansionist policies in Palestine. We are determined to continue defending the rights of innocent children and people who are being blatantly murdered in Gaza. I would like to emphasize once again that we'll stand against all attempts to disturb the peace of our region. Our part of the world is already done with blood and tears. We call on the entire world from here to increase pressure on Israeli administration for establishing permanent ceasefire in Gaza and for taking uninterrupted emergency humanitarian aid into Gaza. In conclusion, I would like to express my gratitude to the Azerbaijani people, particularly to my brother Ilham, and to my brothers and sisters from Lachin for this warm and sincere hospitality. I greet you once again with most heartfelt feelings and congratulate you once again on the 28th of May, Independence Day of your country. May God open our path and our fortune. May God make our brotherhood permanent and our unity everlasting. Thank you and all the best.